Are you committed to making money online? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. I wanted to give you an update on my online marketing journey, along with an invitation. This video is boring, and that's by design. There are no dancing girls, no cute skits, no wild antics, just me. This means 80% of you will have already scrolled away by now. That's okay. The rest of you stick around for a while at least. I started my online marketing journey 4 months ago by taking an online training class. My initial financial goal was to be earning $1,000 a month by the end of the year. I have already exceeded that goal. I've increased my target to $1,000 a week by the end of the year, and I'm confident I will exceed that goal as well. I've been signing people up to take the same training I took at a very high rate, with over 2,000 people on my mailing list at this time. Here's the part that surprised me. Of the people who sign up for the training, a large percentage do not finish it. Just like a large percentage will not watch this video to the end, it seems people are not willing to put in the time and effort necessary to be successful. They want some sort of instant gratification and instant success, and that just doesn't exist in the real world. I don't know if it's the 15-second internet experience that has changed us, but I do remember when people believed in hard work and consistency to see results. It seems like now if they don't get what they want in the first 30 seconds, they are off onto another shiny object. Only about 4% of you are still here, and less than 1% will make it to the end of this short, less than 3-minute video. Just like the online training that will teach you how to make real money online, most of you will not commit and will not finish that training or even this video. For those of you who have made it this far, congratulations. I would like to work with you and see if you have the commitment necessary to be successful in online marketing. Follow my page on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Like this video and share it with someone you care about. Comment on the video with your commitment. When you look at the video on Facebook and YouTube, you will see very few comments, likes, or shares. Why is that? It's because less than 1% of you made it this far, and less than 10% of those of you who are here will do these simple things. How do you ever think you will be successful in an online business? What's next? Now sign up for the training at the link in the description. It will cost you $7 and consists of 15 video lessons and a couple of interviews with an online business advisor. Not going to do that? I know. Most of you won't bother because it doesn't fit your model of give it to me now with no effort on my part. Those of you who do sign up will get some more free stuff from me to help you on your online business journey. But most of the people who started this video will never know that because they left before this part. All of the free gifts I have for you and the training at the end of the link will give you the tools you need to succeed in any online business. Are you still here? Show me you're committed, and I'll see you on the other side. Until next time, life is good.